Characters. Lexi, a curious student who loves learning about law. Prof. Wise, a friendly owl who is a legal expert. RoboGov, a helpful robot who represents government agencies. No. Scene 1. The confused Lexi. Visual. Lexi scratching her head while looking at a book titled Public Law. Lexi, I get criminal law and constitutional law, but what on earth is administrative law? Yinter. Scene R. Enter Prof. Wise. Visual. Professor Wise flies in wearing glasses and a graduation cap. Professor Wise. Hoo. Administrative law is the part of law that controls how government agencies work. Lexi, wait, you mean those departments like the Health Office or Immigration Bureau? Professor Wise. Exactly. Agencies like those make rules, enforce them, and sometimes solve disputes too. Ute. Scene 3. RoboGov appears. Visual. RoboGov walks in holding a book labeled Regulations. RoboGov. Beep. I help create and enforce rules to keep things running smoothly. Professor Wise. Administrative law tells RoboGov what he can and cannot do. My Scene 4. The definition. Visual. A glowing chalkboard shows text as Wise explains. Professor Wise. Definition. Administrative law is the branch of public law that governs the organization, powers, and procedures of administrative authorities. Lexi. So it's like the instruction manual for government bodies? Professor Wise. Exactly. Huge. Scene 5. Nature of administrative law. Visual. Puzzle pieces with words like public, flexible, judge, made, procedural. Professor Wise. Nature. It's part of public law, meaning it deals with government actions. It's often judge, made, meaning courts shape it through decisions. It's flexible, not rigid like criminal law. It focuses on procedures, not punishment. Com. Scene 6. Scope of administrative law. Visual. A tree with branches labeled rulemaking, licensing, enforcement, adjudication. RoboGov. My job covers a lot. Professor Wise. Scope includes rulemaking, creating regulations, licensing, giving permissions, like driver's licenses, enforcement, making sure rules are followed, adjudication, solving disputes between people and agencies. U. Scene 7. Lexi gets it. Visual. Lexi giving a thumbs up with RoboGov and Professor Wise. Lexi. So administrative law is like the invisible hand that keeps government bodies in check. Professor Wise. Hoo. You've got it. Final scene. Summary board. Visual. Chalkboard with summary points. Text on board. Definition. Law governing government agencies. Nature. Public, flexible, judge-influenced. Scope. Rulemaking, enforcement, disputes.